Cordial greeting. My name is Wilmer Narvaez. I am 32 years old. I work in a car wash company as a montacarga operator. I live in Union Free. In my free time, I love to exercise. I like the plastic art in life in Mosquera, Cundinamarca, in the neighborhoods Porvenir Rio. I chose two hosts to do the exercise. This penthouse is smaller than the greenhouse. This penthouse has a courtyard bigger than the greenhouse. This greenhouse is more elegant than the penthouse. The penthouse is calmer than the greenhouse. This greenhouse is colder than the penthouse. Than that the greenhouse is more beautiful than the penthouse. Thank you.